Here I have VIVO Y21L and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, then you need to press the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as VIVO logo pops up on the screen. And the VIVO recovery pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let me scroll down to choose wipe data and select here wipe cache partition. Let's tap wipe cache partition again. Of course, here you can also navigate by tapping appropriate options. The device is whipping the cache files, so the phone is like erasing all the temporary cache files. If you tap OK, you will go back to the following menu, tap back, and here let's choose reboot system. Let's wait until your device will be ready to use. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.